The service light on your Nissan Navara is a reminder for routine maintenance, like oil changes. It activates based on mileage intervals set by Nissan. Resetting it yourself is generally straightforward, but always perform the maintenance first to avoid potential engine damage. The exact procedure can vary depending on your Navara's model year, 2005, 2025. Ignoring the service light won't cause immediate damage, but neglecting maintenance can lead to costly repairs down the line. Remember, the light is not a fault code. It is a reminder and can be safely reset after service. Follow this step-by-step guide to reset your Nissan Navara service light. First, ensure your vehicle is parked and the ignition is completely off. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Locate the trip or odometer reset button on your instrument cluster or steering wheel. Press and hold the button until the trip meter resets, then release it. Turn the ignition off completely, then back to the on position. Press the reset button repeatedly until the maintenance required message appears on the display. Hold the button for 5 to 10 seconds until the light clears or shows zeros. Turn the ignition off and back on again to confirm the reset is complete. For newer models from 2022 onward, you may need to use the infotainment system. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Maintenance, and select Reset. If the service light persists after resetting, it could indicate a deeper mechanical issue requiring professional diagnosis. Also, be aware that Nissan vehicles are increasingly using digital and app-based reset options in newer models.